Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have showed you how you can use the Azure services, and I have created a playlist on Hugging Face as well, and I have a playlist on Bootstrap as well. So again, guys, I got a requirement like in Bootstrap, how can you use the logos, or in Bootstrap we have the icons, right? So how you can use that. So in this video, I'll explore like how you can use the icons or Bootstrap logos for your project or for your front end. So that I will explore in this video. So let me open the Visual Studio Code first. So, and guys, please subscribe to my channel because that will be a motivation for me, and share my video as well. So this is my Visual Studio Code. Let me close this folder. I don't want this folder, and let me create a new file. Okay. So I'm creating a new file, maybe new file, and that will be a HTML file, and I'm saving in the desktop. I'm giving it sample file, sample file, file name sample file. Okay, so I think it's created in the desktop, sample file. Okay, so I have to give the extension. Let me give the extension. Actually, it is not taken, so I'll delete this file and I'll create another file with the HTML extension. So let me try with this new file. It is HTML, and I have to save this sample file.html. So I think it's an, yes, it is an HTML file now. So this is the sample file. Okay, so I'm going to use some Bootstrap logo or Bootstrap icon. So suppose I'm going to any of the sample website. So you can see in the Google homepage itself there is some this lab icon, right? So how you can customize this icon, how you can use this icons from Bootstrap itself. So guys, Bootstrap is a front-end framework, okay, provided by Bootstrap corporation. So if you go to the official site, okay, bootstrap, so you can see the latest version is 5 point something, I guess, and you can simply go to here and you can explore so many things. There are so many components and there are so many things, and documentation also provided by them. You can simply go and you can explore this. I think whoever working on the front end, or if you are playing with your codes, and then you should have an idea about the HTML or CSS or JavaScript, right? So in this video, I'm not going to explore the HTML, not going to explore the JavaScript and CSS. Rather, we will focus on only on HTML and Bootstrap icons. Okay, so this is the latest version, guys, 5.3. So if you click on this drop down, there are so many other versions as well, like 5.2.3, and there is previous 5 point versions as well, 4 point versions as well. So if you're going to use latest version, that will be fine. Okay, so I'm going to use the icons. So this is the documentation, this is the example, and this is the icons. So if you click on the icons, I think it will open the Bootstrap icons, and those are the icons you can use. How to use these icons? Okay, so guys, each and every icons is not free. Maybe there are some paid icons as well. So in this video, I'm going to explore some free icons, like how you can create that, how you can use that. So for that, for particularly, you have to write the head and the body in the HTML file, right? So that I'm going to do it now. So simply I'll go to the docs. Okay, documentation is awesome, provided by the Bootstrap. So this is the quick start guide, and this is the include Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript. So this thing you can copy and popper.js. So basically this is for drop down menu options, so that also you can copy. So this is the quick start guide, right? So I'm going to copy this code, include Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript. So I'm simply giving this, I'm simply copying this, and I'm going to paste it over here. Control V. Okay, and next I'm going to copy this popper.js as well, because I know, like in this project or in this video, maybe I do not have this use, but let me copy this because I'm habituated with this popper.js, and if I won't copy, it will like empty for me. So guys, if you are not copying this popper.js, that is also fine. Okay, so let me save this and let me try to execute or open this particular file, and let's see how it is showing. Okay, so this is the sample file. I'm opening this, so you can see like hello world is coming. Okay, so which is absolutely fine and absolutely correct, because only hello world is provided inside body. So I'm going to include a particular icon in this particular file. So how to do that? So for that, you have to go to Bootstrap icons, this link. So nothing but you have to go to Bootstrap official site, and from there, if you click icons, it will open this page. Okay, let me get some icon. Maybe this alarm fill, this I'll get. Okay, So there are several options available, guys, like icon font or code point or copy HTML. Everything is provided. So I will suggest you to copy this HTML because that will be helpful for you. You simply need to copy this code and you have to provide it in your code base. Okay, so after this hello world, maybe after this URLs and all, I can provide this. I can give a break as well. So in body, I can give a break as well. So let me give a break and I can paste the code. Okay, let's see whether it is working fine or not. So I should get a alarm clock in the page. Okay, so let me open this, and yes, you can see like there is a alarm clock already came in this particular page. So this is the way, guys, how you can use the bootstrap icons. Okay, so if you manage the orientation or if you manage the alignment, that also you can do. You have to give a margin left or margin right, and then you need to just manage it, manage the clock or manage the icon. So that I won't cover in this video. So this video was specifically on how to use the bootstrap icons. So this is the way, guys, you can use the bootstrap icons. So if you want to use any other icons, that also you can go ahead and use. So suppose I'm going to use some, let me get it some. Okay, so bus. Okay, so this bus I'm going to use. So again, the simple thing, you need to copy the HTML. Okay, so you just need to provide it in the code base. So I can give it over here. I can give a break, maybe. Sorry, I have to give a break and I have to paste the code. So this is the SVG, and let's save this and let's try to refresh this page. Okay, so this is the image. You can see, right? I'm zooming my screen. You can see like this, the alarm clock logo is already came. This is the bus logo already came. So this is the way, guys, how you can use the bootstrap icons. Okay, so this is the free icons provided by bootstrap, and it will be helpful for your front end. And that's it for this video. And if you have any suggestion or any comment, please give a comment in the comment box, and please subscribe to my channel because that will be a great motivation for me. And if you have anything, you can give a comment in the comment box. Surely I'll reply to your comment. And please share my video, and till then, see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and goodbye.